Today we are going to read GK. Okay, take out your GK book. In GK book, first chapter is flightless bird. Flightless bird means those birds which cannot fly. Okay, they are in bird category. You know, bird can fly very well, but these are the some birds which cannot fly. We are going to read it. Okay, what is written? Most birds can fly. Okay, yet there are few birds that cannot fly. Okay, in this world, most of the birds fly, but some birds are there that cannot fly. We will read. Number 1, its nose is at the end of its beak. This bird, this is known as the beak. Our is known as lip. Their her jaws are known as beak. Okay, their beak in the end of the, at the end of the beak there is the nose. Okay, the nostril is present in the end of the beak. This bird is kiwi. What is the bird? This bird is kiwi. K-I-W-I. Okay, understand? Next is, it is a kind of a parrot but cannot fly. You know parrot very well. Everybody has seen, and in some houses there are parrot. But this is one type of parrot which cannot fly. It is a kind of parrot which cannot fly. Which is that parrot? Here the picture is given. This parrot is known as kakapo. K-A-K-A-P-O. K-A-K-A-P-O. Kakapo. Okay. Next, see the picture. What it is written? It has flippers. It can drink seawater. What do you mean by flippers? Means the legs, when you wear that feet and you for dive you need it, that is known as flippers. And same thing are present in this word, flipper. Okay, and they can drink what? Seawater. Can you drink seawater? No, but they can drink seawater. This is the bird is penguin. What is this? Penguin. P-E-N-G-U-I-N. Penguin. Understand? Next, see the next bird. It is the largest bird. It can run very fast. Means it is the huge, very big bird. And it can run very fast. Very fast. Okay, but it cannot fly. Okay, it is the world's largest. Means in birds, it is the most biggest one. The largest bird. So its name is ostrich. What is the name? Ostrich. Understand? Next, it is the second largest bird. It has two sets of eyelids. Means bigger one, the largest one is the ostrich. It is the second largest one. Okay, and it has two eyelids, two set of eyelids. One and then again it has two sets of eyelids. It is emu. E-M-U. Emu. Understand? So these are the few flightless birds which are given in your book. Now come to some extra knowledge. The rhea is the flightless bird. It has huge wings but cannot fly. The rhea means this bird name is rhea. R-H-E-A. Rhea. Okay. It also cannot fly. It can only walk or run. It cannot fly. It is a flightless bird. Okay? Its wings are very huge. You know the wings, they fly. Its wings are very huge. So which bird has huge wings? This one. So from this, whatever it is given, it is a one-word answer. If I give you this sentence, you will write the answer. If I give you, who writes 4 flightless birds, you can write. Okay? Okay. If I say which one is the largest bird which cannot fly, you can write. Okay? These are one words. Then question answer I have given. Okay? Question answer you read. Then fill in the blank. Dash is the largest bird in the world. That is ostrich. Dash nose at the end of the beak. That is kiwi. You learn like this. Okay. You should know. Okay. Then if I give you true false that kiwi is the largest bird. It is true? No. It is false. Okay. Penguin can drink seawater. Yes, it is true. Penguin can drink seawater. Okay. This chapter over. Next, turn the page. This is what? Big cats. Here I have written big cats. Okay. Next, let's read. The large member of the cat family are called big cats. Means very large members of cat family. Only cat is not there. Many others are also there. So this large number is known as cat families. Okay. And they are known as big cats. Now let us read. Number 1. The national animal of India. You know very well from your childhood you are reading. Which is the national animal of India? It is the tiger. Understand? Next. The big cat that likes to climb trees. I mean it is that cat which always climb the tree, sit on the tree, sleep on the tree. They love to climb. This is leopard. What it is? Leopard. What is the spelling of leopard? Leopard. Leopard. Understand? This is a leopard. Next. The king of the forest. Everybody knows because you heard the stories and everybody knows who is the king of the forest. King of the forest is lion. 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 Understand? Then next. The national animal of Brazil. It is the like our national animal of India is tiger. It is the national animal of Brazil. Which one? It is jaguar. Okay, jaguar. Jaguar. Learn the spellings. Okay, next. The fastest land animal on earth. It is the fastest one. It can run very fast. Okay. In all the animals, among the animals, it is the fastest one who can run on the ground very fast. So this is the cheetah. What is the spelling of cheetah? C-H-E-E-T-A-H. Cheetah. Okay. Next is we will read the extra thing. What it is written? There are more than 30 different types of cats in the world. Means in this whole world there are how many types of cats? 30 variety of cats. Not only one variety. There are 30 variety or 30 kinds of more than 30 kinds of different types of cat. Okay. Next, the cat family is called the feline family. Cat family is known as feline family. F-E-L-I-N-E. Feline family. Okay. What if I give you question? What is the cat family known as? You will write feline family. Okay. The little house cat and the mighty lion both belongs to this family. Means your little cat, house cat who lives here and there you can see. And the big lion both belongs to which family? Cat family. Okay. In copy I have given you one word, then given you fill in the blanks, then given you true false, then matching. Okay. Learn like that. Same thing in true false part, in same thing in one word, same thing in matching. Okay. Correct. Now come to the third part. Page number 7. This is your fun activity. We put hairband now, mostly girls put, okay? A headband is a band worn around the head. It is worn around the head, you know very well. It is usually worn to keep our hair from falling into earth, so that our hair does not come here and does not have problem. So we put a headband, okay? Now we have to look and we have to solve the puzzle. Yesterday I have already done. This looks like a dog. This looks like a giraffe. This look like a elephant. This look like a zebra. And this look like a rabbit. Okay. Now we will read the extra part. Okay. The giraffe is the tallest animal. Which animal? Giraffe is the tallest animal in whole animal kingdom. Which animal is the tallest one? Giraffe. What is the spelling of giraffe? G I G R A double F E. Giraffe. Giraffe is the tallest animal. It's so tall. Okay. Next, it can grow to height of 20 feet. How much height it can grow? 20 feet. How much height? 20 feet. It can grow 20 feet. Okay. Next, its neck is almost 6 feet long. Neck of giraffe is 6 feet long. How much? 6 feet. Okay. Its tongue is about 1.5 feet long. Our has tongue. This tongue of giraffe is 1.5 feet long. Okay, 1.5 feet long. Understand? So, this is whole I have teach you. I have given you question answer, fill up, true false, matching. You just prepare like that. Okay? Understand? If you have any problem, then you ask me. Okay? Understand? Read these 3 pages and learn it. Thank you, students.